Hello students, from chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure, we are going to study about MCQs. First, which of the following property does not describe a compound? A. It is composed of two or more elements. B. It is a pure substance. C. It cannot be separated into constituents by physical means. D. It is mixed in any proportion by mass. So option D is the answer, which does not describe a compound, because compound जो है definite proportion में present होता है. When two liquids do not mix, they form two separate layers and are known as A. Miscible liquids, B. Immiscible liquids, C. Saturated liquid, D. Supersaturated liquids. So answer is B. Immiscible liquids, क्योंकि immiscible liquids में ही दो liquids के separate layer बनते हैं. How can separate ammonium chloride from a mixture containing ammonium chloride and sodium chloride? So अमोनियम क्लोराइड को उसके मिक्सचर अमोनियम क्लोराइड और सोडियम क्लोराइड से कैसे सेपरेट कर सकते हैं? ये सॉलिड होता है जो डायरेक्टली वेपराइज कर जाता है, गैस में चेंज हो सकता है. सो हियर इज़ फ्यू ऑप्शन गिवन. ए. प्रेसिपिटेशन, बी. सब्लिमेशन, सी. क्रोमेटोग्राफी, डी. सेंट्रिफिकेशन. सो आंसर बी इज़ करेक्ट, सब्लिमेशन. The amount of solute present per unit volume or per unit mass of the solution or solvent is known as A. Composition of solute, B. Composition of solvent, C. Concentration of solute, D. Concentration of solution. So answer is D. Concentration of solution. Next, according to the definition of pure substance, which of the following is a pure substance? A. Ice, B. Mercury, C. Iron, D. All of these. So as per definition, D option is correct, all of these. तीनों के ही तीनों pure substance है. When liquid is spun rapidly, the denser particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top. This principle is used in A. Centrifugation, B. Fractional distillation, C. Evaporation, D. Tunneling. So answer is A. Centrifugation, because centrifugation method जो है base है, जिसमें two denser particles, heavy जो denser particles हैं, they are forced to the bottom and lighter ones stay at the top. Next question, which of the following non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? Here question is asked कि non-metal कौन सा good conductor है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का? ए. एल्यूमिनियम, बी. सिलिकॉन, सी. ग्रेफाइट, डी. गोल्ड. सो इनमें से जो ऑप्शन सी है ग्रेफाइट है, क्योंकि ग्रेफाइट नॉन मेटल है एंड इट इज़ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो ये एक्सेप्शनल भी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सेपरेशन ऑफ कलर्स पॉसिबल बाय ए. सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन, बी. क्रोमेटोग्राफी, C. Crystallization, D. None of these. So separation of colors possible by B. Chromatography technique. These are the MCQs. Now in next topic we will meet again. Thank you, share and subscribe.